about 5 advantages which gives it an edge over other machine. Number 1, it has a power of 2000 watt and a spot size which is adjustable. Number 2, the pulse width is very large. As a result, it works very well for fine hair as well. Number 3, it has a cooling system which is very strong, so it is painless. Number 4, the frequency is adjustable between 1 to 20 Hz, as a result of which it is a very fast machine to do. Number 5, handpiece is very lightweight and it's very easy to do it. So let's see how this machine works. It has different modes, normal as well as fast. You can set the gender, you can set which location you want to do it for. You can set the location and you can set what pulse duration, frequency and fluency you want to do, and the skin type as well. It works very well for both fine as well as thick hair because it has 4 wavelengths where it works. So it has different modes between normal and fast mode which you can set it. Other than that, you can set the gender for which you want to do. There are different locations where you want to do it. So let's set for that of upper lips, and you can set the pulse duration which is adjustable along with frequency which varies between 1 to 20 Hz, and you can set the fluence as well along with skin type which you want to do it